Let's unbox a Love is in the Air stationery bundle from Hubman and Chubgirl. I am so excited for this cute theme in pink. Sorry, that's so loud. In pink and yellow and blue with cute little bears. Oh, my heart. Okay, we have 2 washi tapes. Love is in the air for the first one. We've got cute little planes and hot air balloons. My heart. The second washi tape is Let's Float. All clouds and hot air balloons. Ooh, my heart. The pretty pink. Oh, our enamel pin. The clouds. It's the clouds and the colors for me. Pink and yellow. Cuteness. Oh, here are die cuts. If you want to see me open everything so that you can see every bit, that will be in the next video that you see linked, our part 2 for Love is in the Air. Here are planner stickers. Wait, they're adorable. So many balloons. Love and Adventure is what this sheet is called. They're flying. Oh my goodness. What? Cuties. Up and away. Oh, hot air balloons. Wait, they're so beautiful. Oh, these are the best sheets to decorate with. The stickers are so thick. Our first sheet is called Up and Away. Wait, I love the solo bears flying by a single balloon too. So adorable. Our second sheet is called Love is in the Air. The signs on the sheet, oh, say Love is in the air on them. This one's very cute in the center. And then our last big, thick sticker sheet is called Love is Floating. Wait, the hearts and clouds, the balloons. If you all hear my puppy in the background, she's being a cutie. Now we get into our planner kit. Ooh. Okay, can you imagine the smell of this fresh stationery? Because I just want to share that with you for sure. Page 2. Beautiful boxes for us to highlight events in our planner. Stop, the ombre. The ombre. Oh my goodness. This is just the stationery of my dreams. And I'm so happy, thankful for. Oh my goodness, I just can't cope. We have monthly date dots. The smell. Oh, these days of the weeks. I love all the different options and themes. Wow, my heart. Variety sticker pack. Okay, I'm opening this one with you because you're amazing. I'm ready. Let's do it. Stop, the tickets? What? Buckle up, instant adventure. My heart. Ooh, okay, these are like washi tape texture. They're a little transparent. Cute for decorating. Oh my, what? The clarity. The clouds. The borders that we get to do with this one. The reflective gold. Oh, it's almost a rose gold. I can't tell. But the colors, the sweetness. Oh, almost like little postage stamps. More transparent washi texture. You can do it. You make me smile. You've got this. Keep it up. Beautiful little affirmations and positivity. Oh my gosh. Back to the reflective gold. Ooh. And the texture. Like, what you can see is what you can feel. Yep. Oh. We have actual stamps. Oh, they're so cute. And the texture is so thick and sturdy. My heart. That is what's in the variety pack. Thank you for watching. If you want to see what is in the die cut pack, go watch part 2. Thank you, friends. I'll see you soon.